Hello, last day of the week because we don't have school tomorrow. So looking at Thursday, April 2nd folder. I just want you to quick check in on that Quizlet one more time before we take the quiz. Again, the quiz is going to be matching and writing a paragraph. So make sure you understand a few of these words. So you can put them into a paragraph. When you're done with that, close the window and then pull up the cred quiz. You should be able to just open it and take it as soon as you study for a few minutes. There's no password. So send me a message if that's not working. As soon as you're done with the quiz, we'll just start studying for the next week, and that is cycle and orb. And they mean, let's see if I can find it. Cycle orb means roundness. So again, same thing, just pick one every day, go through it, and then close that window. The last thing you're going to do is this compare and contrast activity. So like always, file, make a copy, your name, or you can just leave it copy of. Okay, and then you should be able to edit it. And then, so you're just going to type your answers in the table below and then turn this in. So it says, look back at the work you've done this week for each of the texts. Each Google Doc should still be in your Google Drive. Check the recents folder. If you don't already have a language arts folder in your Google Drive, I would make that just to organize all of your copies of things that you're going to have. Here are the original links if you need them, but yours with your work will be in your Google Drive. So I would look at those. Choose two of the above texts to compare and contrast in the following 3-column chart. So what you're going to do is if you want to do the day the crayons quit, you're going to type that title over here and then pick one of the other ones. So crayons. So then what I would do is I would try to think of 3 things that the texts have in common and try to be as specific as you can. And then I would do similarities first just to get them out of the way. And then try to think of what's 3 things that only this book has and what are 3 things that only this poem has, and type those here. Again, use the links or your work to look back on and read those poems and stories again. But just 3 things for each. So 3 things that they both have in common, similarities, and then 3 things that's only in the crayons poem, and then 3 things that are only in the day the crayons quit, or whatever text. So you can pick any combination of these 3. I want you to think about topic, theme, mood, tone. So those things that we've been looking at. And once you have all these boxes filled, submit this doc on Schoology to compare and contrast assignment. So that's it for today. So compare and contrast, submit on Schoology, and then resources, apps, check the box, import file. Hopefully you're getting really good at that. Let's see. Can we find a SpongeBob GIF? Oh. My favorite one. No, that's not right. SpongeBob always makes me laugh. So I hope you guys are having a good week. We made it through the first week, and then we'll go from there. Miss you a lot. That's all.